Hi everyone, so I'm back today to share with you another journal. This is just a little flip-flop style journal. I'm calling it Memories. It will be listed in my shop if you're interested. I'm going to give you the measurements right now. So it's 7 3/4 by just shy of 4 inches, and when folded it's got 2 inch like chunkiness that way. 2 signatures, 80 pages front and back, and then for today only this will be listed at a reduced price. You'll find all the details on the listing, which I will link below. It's got a tie round cover. I'm sorry, I'm doing this quite rushy because I've got a lot going on today, and I just wanted to get this video done before time goes away with me. So I've used ARTYmaze's papers for the cover. I think that was actually a freebie. Here I've just layered up 2 journal cards. This one here is a freebie on my coffee shop. Got some lace trim here, butterfly, and then we go inside. We have got a lacy pocket there, and we have got tags and journal cards. Here, that's another freebie on my coffee shop. We've just got a little decoration there, and this is from Dreams, etc. Then here I've just made like a little envelope. It was an actual envelope, but I had to trim it down, and I forgot to glue down there, and I can't really get in there right now, but you know what, it don't really matter. You can tuck stuff in there. We've got a tag there. Sorry, my dog's barking. She's a pain in the butt today. It's absolutely beautiful outside, so they've been out all day this morning, and she's just barking at everything. She's the puppy, so I think a lot of things are new to her. Washi tape here wraps around. We've got a pocket there. That is a vintage book page. Done some stamping on some cream cardstock, and then I sprayed it with my little magic coffee glittery spray that I make. Another pocket there. This is some really old lined paper. Who's that from? Bohemian Crafting. Has an ARTYmaze tag there. ARTYmaze here. Some square paper. This is a digital from, can't remember who that's from. Got a little pocket there and a tag. We've got a flip out here and another tag. There is coffee dyed and plain pages. Little cluster there. We have got a tag there. Got some lace trim here. Now, I've done a video on these. This is just a little book page tri-fold, tri-pocket. So, and you can obviously tuck behind there as well. We've got a tag in there. So I've got the videos for that on my channel. It's the video before this one. And that goes in there, and that goes in there, and that goes in behind. There's another one somewhere else. We've got some more lined paper there. Again, that is old paper. Centre of the signature, places to journal. After all, it is a journal. A little flip there. We've got a tag there. And another one here. Just done a cluster there. Got some journal cards and a tag there. Oh, we have got another pocket here. Another little stamp tag there. That is Dreams, etc. That is ARTYmaze, and it's just backed onto some cream cardstock. I got that from the range yesterday. It was the only pack they had left. And it was, what was it? 100 sheets, 200 GSM for $4.99, which I thought was really good. Little tag there. That's ARTYmaze tag. Another little, I love that little stamp. So cute. I would like to get some more like the little thin kind of leafy type stamps. Little flip there. Squared paper, some trim there. This is from Rachel Bella Crafts. Little tag there, ARTYmaze. Little pocket here. So there's lots and lots of journal space, lots and lots of ephemera, lots of and everything can be written on the backs of. So when you see it, it's not like you can't do anything with it. There is tons of journal space. Little paper clip there. This, I think it is, yeah, I recognise that. That's a little freebie on my coffee shop, which was a, what do you call them things? Can't remember. Long things. Oh, I can't remember what they're called. Just long strips that you can use. Obviously, that's what I use that for. Tag there. So if you can hear the banging now, husband's up and decorating and making coffee probably. This was some scrapbooking paper. I think it was 6x6 that Lou gave me. Thank you, Lou. Lou came up and see me at the weekend and she brought me and I got some stuff for you. Oh, there's tons of stuff. I've only opened about 2 boxes and it's huge boxes, much bigger than like I can put my arms to show you. I've got some lace trim there and literally there's just so much stuff. I was joking with my husband and said I think we need to swap rooms. Like I have my bedroom for my craft room because it's like twice the, well, three times the size of this room. He said no way. Little tag in there, that's a freebie on my coffee shop. Butterflies from ARTYmaze. Don't know where that little piece came from, but it was from a kit. Some digital washi there from, who's that from? Chapter 1. Tag there. Don't know what kit that's from. It's ARTYmaze kit, but I can't remember which kit. Love that paper. I think that's Lou's as well, that Lou gave me at the weekend. More tags and stuff there. Little flip there. You can do it like that way. Journal. Adds, you know, I've left enough space for you to do some of your own decorating. Yeah, so we've been cracking on, getting some tidying up done, opening, like getting the shed sorted, doing the garden. Oh my gosh, how come your garden gets in such a mess in the winter? That's another one of them little book page triple pockets. So yeah, we've been doing that all morning and I am actually a little bit knackered, to be fair. So I thought I want to get this done because we've still got other bits to do, and then I'm going to have a real early night because I'm watching my grandson tomorrow for a couple of hours. Whilst his dad's got an interview, his mum's, my son's got an interview, so he's leaving the job that he's in now to go and do the second half of this interview. It was a 2-part interview, so then we're taking him back to work. His mum's at work, and we're going to take him, hopefully if it's not raining, we're going to take him to the park for a little bit, and then we can take him home and I can come back and craft. That's the plan. Probably won't go like that at all. So little side tucks here, there and there. So yeah, so I really want a nice early night so that I'm fresh as a daisy in the morning. Because hard work looking after a nearly 2-year-old when he's like constantly wanting you to do stuff. So we'll try and do that there. I love that paper, and there was only a few sheets of that 6x6 that Lou sent me. I mean, there could be more in all the other stuff that she's gave me, but it's really nice. And I don't even know what kind of paper pad that came from or the name of it or anything. As you can see, I've used a lot of butterflies in here. Another little tag there and there and here. Little corner tag, little cluster there. And it's Easter this weekend. It's really early this year, isn't it? Well, I think it is. That is from Rach and Bella Crafts. Yeah, it's very early this year, I think. Little journal cards and tags there. Little butterfly cluster there. Some lace trim. And another one of those tags there. It's kind of like foiled embossed. Not embossed, is it just foiled? No, it's like indentation. Journal card there, and then that goes in there. There is fabric on all of the folds so that it doesn't fall to bits. So yeah, that is the journal. And I know the lighting isn't great because I turned my computer off and my ring light's connected to that. And I thought, I'm not putting it back on again. Yeah, because I just want to get on. It's such, as I say, it's such a nice day. I want to get some stuff done in the garden whilst it's nice. I think it is going to rain later, or drizzle. So it's the first really nice day it's been in, well, since probably last year. So anyway, enough of me rambling on. That is the journal. I'll put a link below to its listing, and like I said, it will be reduced today only, which is the 26th of March. I think it's the 26th of March. It will be in the details. Lost track of days. So anyway, there we go. Thanks for watching. Speak to you all soon. Bye.